In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you've switched to a new email provider or simply want to update your work email in Asana, I'm here to guide you through these quick and easy steps. First, head over to the Asana homepage by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Asana website. Once there, you'll be greeted with the login page. Now take a moment to enter your current email address in the designated field. This is your current login credential, so make sure you type it correctly. Then you'll need to click the continue button to proceed to the next step. Now that you're on the next screen, it's time to enter your password. Make sure you input it correctly to avoid any login issues. When you're ready, click on the login button. You should now be taken to your Asana homepage where the real action begins. Once you're on your Asana homepage, look to the top bar and find the profile icon, usually at the upper right corner. Give it a click to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to access your account details. Inside the Settings panel, you'll notice several tabs. Go ahead and click on Email Forwarding, which is a crucial step in managing your email accounts within Asana. After that, switch over to the Account tab. This is where you can make changes to your email addresses associated with Asana. To add a new email, you'll find an option labeled Add New Email. Click on it and enter your new email address in the field provided. It's important that this is the correct email you wish to transition to, as Asana will be sending a verification email to this new address. After you've submitted your new email, keep an eye on your inbox. You'll receive a verification email from Asana, which you need to confirm in order for the email change to take effect. Once you locate the email, click the verification link contained within it. This will verify your new email address with Asana. When your new email is verified and officially set as your primary login email, you're almost done. You'll have the option to remove your old email. Navigate back to the account section in your settings to find the option to delete the old email. Click to remove it, confirming that your new email is now your primary address in Asana. And that's it, you have successfully changed your email in Asana with just a few straightforward steps. Now you can continue managing your projects with your updated email account. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.